So let's get started on creating something on Rabindranath Jayanti using Adobe Express for Education. So in the search bar, write down Rabindranath Jayanti. And once you click on that, you are going to get a few templates. Let's pick up this template, click on it. It says customize a template. Let me customize it. And you get a few tutorials here. I'm just putting across here. So this template is there. You have Thakur's picture here. You have his name written, Rabindranath Jayanti, and you can edit this particular template. So all you need to do is click wherever you want and edit it. You can change the font colors. So suppose here it says, when the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. So I think you can just click here, into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. So I'm just writing because it's a poem by Thakur. So let my country awake. You can use any of the quotations of Thakur Rabindranath and use that. You can change colors. So at the bottom you can see that there are many options. You can edit text. You can use effects here. So when you click on effects, it says generate text effects. If you want a shadow text effect, you can use like that. Again, you can just scroll through if you want to change the background. So suppose you want to make a color like this or this, whatever, you can use the color of your choice. This is the layout of a mobile phone. I'm using the Adobe Express app. It also says animate all. So suppose you want to give a small animation to it, click on animate all, and it gives you the option of bloom. If you use this, then there's flicker, fade, glide, popping. So bloom is something which you can see right now on the screen. If you want a popping effect, you can use the popping effect like this. So let me just choose the popping effect, and this is animating actually all the layers and so on. I think students, you can see whatever you like to use. You can do quick replaces. There are 3 dots. You can edit the page name. All of that can be done. So moving back now, how do you download this or how do you share with your friends and family? So on top you will see that there is a aeroplane kind of or a small triangle kind of a icon. Just click on that icon, and once you click on this, you get these options. You have to share. Click on the view only link. Please remember, click on view only link. It will ask you to create a link. Just click on create a link. Just copy this link